Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at home. Yes, very good. And taking all the precautions to keep yourself protect from coronavirus. Yes, I know you all must be following all the precautions. And are you wearing mask whenever you go outside? Yes, very good. But do you know what is the correct way to wear the mask? I'll show you. Okay, see, this is the mask which we have to wear whenever we go out of our house, and we have to wear it like this. Okay, you will take this elastics from back side of your ear, and it should cover your nose and mouth. Because you know what happened? Some people wear like this. See, nose is uncovered. But this is the wrong way. You have to cover your nose and mouth. Okay, kids? So, wear mask properly whenever you go out of your house. So, now let's start our class. Today, I am going to take your English class. Okay? So, let's revise all the letters which we have done earlier.
A for apple, red apple. B for ball, we play with the ball. C for cat, meow, meow. D for dolphin, and dolphin is a water animal. E for elephant. F for fish. Fish lives in water. G for goat. H for horse. Horse is a domestic animal. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. We fly kite in the sky. L for lion. Lion is the king of jungle. M for monkey. Monkey lives in jungle. N for neck. O for orange. Nowadays you should eat orange every day. P for palette. It's a color palette. Q for quill. R for rainbow. We see rainbow in the sky after the rain. S for sun. T for tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. U for umbrella. We use umbrella when it's rain. V for violin. Violin is a musical instrument. W for watch. We see time in watch. X for xylophone. It is also a musical instrument. Y for yo-yo. We play with the yo-yo. Z for zipper or zip.
So kids, we have revised all the letters which we have done earlier. Okay? And kids, you should also do revision to make yourself perfect. Okay? And I hope you all will do revision. Okay. Now, I will teach you how to write letter Q. Okay? Today we will learn how we can write letter Q, and this work you will do in your English notebook, that is your orange notebook. Okay kids, but before that let's revise the letter. See, this is letter Q. This is letter Q. Which letter is this? Q. And Q for queen. Q for queen. And queen is the wife of a king. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quill. Quill. What's the meaning of quill? It's a feather. Okay. Q for quill. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Quilt means what is the meaning of quilt? The thing which we cover ourselves to protect ourselves from the cold. Okay? जिसको हम रजाई भी कहते हैं और इसको when we use quilt in winters. Nowadays, I think most of the people are using quilt because it's so cold. आजकल बहुत ठंड है. So, Q for quilt. And we use quilt in winter season. Okay? So, Q for quilt. This is letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quilt. Okay, kids? Now come, I'll show you how you will write letter Q in your English notebook. So see, this is the page of your English notebook. Okay? And in English notebook, there are 4 lines. How many lines are there? 4. Okay? First red, then blue, then again red. Okay? Now, see carefully. Now, first of all, you will make an O. सबसे पहले आप क्या बनाओगे? O. आप सबको आता है ना O बनाना? So, you will make an O from this red line to blue line. Okay? Now, next step is draw a small tail. एक छोटी सी टेल बना दोगे ओ की. ओके, सो इट विल मेक क्यू. सी वंस अगेन, पहले आप ओ बनाओगे, देन यू विल ड्रॉ अ टेल. आप ये टेल बनाओगे बट यू विल नॉट टच दिस टेल टू द ब्लू लाइन. ओके, ये टेल ब्लू लाइन को टच नहीं करेगी. ओके बेटा, सी. First you will make an O, then a tail of it. Like this. है ना कितना easy? First O, then a tail. Like this. Okay? See? O, then a tail. First, you will make an O from this red to blue line. Okay? Then after that, you will draw a tail. और ये देखो ध्यान से, मैम ने ये वाली टेल सिर्फ इस ब्लू लाइन तक लेकर आए हैं. एंड यू विल स्टॉप हियर. यू विल नॉट गो बियॉन्ड दिस ब्लू लाइन. ओके? और ऊपर वाली ब्लू लाइन को टच नहीं करना. ओके किड्स? सी, ओ, देन अ टेल. ओ बनाना है, फिर इसकी स्मॉल सी टेल बना देनी है. Isn't it so easy? O and a small tail. Okay? See? Now O, then a small tail. Okay? O, then small tail, and it will make a Q. So, like this, you will do one page of writing Q in your English notebook. That is your orange notebook, and you will send it to your class teacher. But don't forget to do the revision of writing A to P. Okay, kids? Because with the help of revision, you can make yourself perfect. So, always do revision at home. The letters or work we have done earlier in the class. Okay, kids? Bye. Stay safe.